Hi everyone! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Alhassan A. Imam, grade 5 learner. You are now watching my performance task in English story retelling. This is under teacher Zulfa M. Hajinor. This story is entitled The Boy Who Cried Wolf. The character of this story is the boy, the villagers, and the wolf. So here it goes. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a boy who was in charge of watching the village's flock of sheep. One day, he was bored and decided to play a trick on the villagers. He cried out, "Wolf! Wolf!" even though there was no wolf around. The villagers came running to help, but when they arrived and saw there was no wolf, they scolded the boy for wasting their time. The boy thought it was funny and decided to do it again. The next day, the boy cried out, "Wolf! Wolf!" again. And once again, the villagers rushed to help, but when they arrived and saw there was no wolf, they were angry with the boy for tricking them. A few days later, a real wolf came to the village and started attacking the sheep. The boy cried out, "Wolf! Wolf!" for real this time. But no one came to help him, thinking it was just another prank. The boy was left to fend for himself, and the wolf killed many of the sheep. The boy learned his lesson and realized that lying and playing tricks on others could have serious consequences. Ladies and gentlemen, the moral of this story: honesty is always the best policy, and playing pranks or telling lies can have serious consequences. And that is the end of the story, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!